May 11th, 1996.
I distinctly remember when it happened.
Just a few days before Mother's Day.
We had an airplane go down.
Unfortunately, all souls were lost that day.
I worked for ValuJet at the time of the crash. I had lunch that day of May 11, 1996 with Candy Kubek, who was the captain of the flight. Candy was a terrific pilot, and she was one of the first captain females at our company. For me, it's personal because after the crash, I actually flew the rest of her monthly schedule.
Howard Lee Reeds was an architecture student at the University of Miami, and he was one of the passengers who perished. After he passed away, his family, they created a scholarship fund in his name. I had really no money to go to school. The family granted me a scholarship, the Howard Lee Reed Scholarship at the University of Miami. And in honor of his memory, they paid for my entire architecture career at the University of Miami. I'm here because of them. And everything I have, it's because of what they've done. They gave me a chance for me to not only have a career, but have a family. They turned their tragedy to bless someone else.
You almost couldn't see the memorial from Highway 41.
State flower of Florida is mold and mildew.
Weeds growing around all the memorial stones.
It was overgrown, unkempt, and mostly forgotten about.
And we're all just volunteering to get the cleanup started.
We ended up mowing the lawn first and shoveling a lot of dirt out.
I will never be able to pay this back. I've worked so hard to make him proud and make his parents proud. I wish this would have never happened. I wish he would be here. I wish his parents would have him. I wish he would have become the architect that he always dreamed of. It's a human life. This monument that you see here was designed by architecture students to honor the memory not only of Howard, but all of the passengers who passed away. Each of the pillars represents one of the lives that perished. Concrete is permanent. Concrete is strong, and it's something that doesn't move. So the hope is that this memorial will stay. Their memories are permanent.
And we obviously have to preserve these memorials that actually mean something to the loved ones.
Their lives are worth remembering.
And this is the reason why we train so hard.
I will come here as long as I live. That's how we keep him and the memory of all of us alive.